This wig, you guys, is from Nadula Hair. As you guys can see, there is the packaging there in the background. This is their 13x6 pre-plucked body wave lace front wig, you guys. I didn't pluck the hairline at all. It's definitely wearable. If you know that you like your wigs to be plucked a certain way, then you could use how they pre-plucked it as a guide to go in and you know, pluck it some more, but you really don't have to. So if you're someone who is a beginner or you don't know how to pluck your wigs, you could definitely wear this wig like I am doing straight out of the packaging. I got this wig in 180% density and it is 24 inches, as you guys can see, where it pretty much stops on me. I am really starting to like their body wave wigs. I think they're slowly becoming another one of my favorites. I don't want to speak too soon though, but I can definitely tell you guys they have really good quality body wave wigs. If you guys are interested, they hold a curl. As you can see, I did crimp this hair and the crimps are holding up just fine. And then the lace on it is just a medium brown, but it came extremely light. It kind of reminded me of transparent lace, or it actually really looked like transparent lace. So, but the lace was rather on the lighter side, which wasn't a problem. All I did was go ahead and apply a little bit of my leftover foundation on it, and then it blended really perfectly. As you guys know, I really love body wave hair. It will always be one of my favorite textures. The hair does hold a curl well. It's crimped right now. I use my crimper on 350, either 350 or 400. I think it was 400 because 400 is the highest setting that it goes on, and they came out perfectly. Crimping your hair is such a time-consuming process, so I just showed you guys little clips here and there, but it did take me a minute to crimp this entire wig. So far so good with the shedding. It doesn't shed terribly bad. Don't really get any tangles or anything like that. I feel like the 180 density is a true 180 density. The hair is true to length. The lace was perfect. It's nice and thin too. This is a really good affordable body wave wig too. It's under $250. Of course, the price may differ depending on what length you get it in, but if I'm not mistaken, I think the longest length that it comes in is 26 inches. It's great quality. It curls really nicely. I really am starting to like their body wave hair. I even got a 360 lace wig from them, but I never worked one of those before, so I am going to be doing a video on that very soon. I just need to make sure that I don't mess it up. So yeah, overall, you guys, I don't have any complaints with this wig. I'm not sure how long these crimps are gonna last. I have not crimped my hair in so long, but I'm sure that they will hold up really nicely. I haven't tried to straighten this hair yet, but I'm sure it will straighten just as good as it's able to curl. Be sure to leave the direct link for this wig down below, you guys. I know sometimes with 13x6 wigs, because a lot of people like that 6 inches of parting space, they tend to sell out quicker than like a 13x4 lace wigs, and that's happened to me a few times after I've, like, you know, done a video on some hair and I left you guys a link and you guys said you couldn't find that exact 13x6, you know, version of the wig. So should you click on the link and they don't have any more 13x6, then just check back. I got this hair about a month and a half ago, so hopefully by the time this video goes up that they still have some available. If not, like I said, just always check back. I know it's available in 13x4, and I think it's also available in the 360 wig version as well. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.